got age, I got stock bonds, same page. I still say right on. In the 60s, 17, before disco, before Queen, I met a woman walking down the street. The year 2000, how can that be? She said, I like your hair. It's turning white. I said, where? She said, I love your hair. I love your hair. It's turning white all on its own. Well, that's alright, 'cause it's all homegrown. It's got a mind, it's got sense. It don't need me, it just happens. Hanging nice, just like before. When I was 20, playing rock and roll. Before computers, before the Gap. Before Madonna, before rap. Hey! People say, hey, how you been? You're looking good. Say, what's that colorin? 'Cause I love your hair. I love your hair. It feels good, it feels fine, it feels good and it's all mine. It feels great, I feel it now, feels wonderful, and it makes me wanna grow. When they say I love your hair. Hey, I love your hair. Ooh. I make mistakes, I make amends. It's endless, time bends. Well, that's okay, 'cause I'm getting older. Pretty soon, it'll be all over. The young ones say, you must be wise. Looking up, now that's a surprise. They change the color of their hair, like we used to change our underwear.